Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious stovetop oatmeal. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need just 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of your preferred liquid. This could be water, milk, or any non-dairy option like almond or soy milk. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt. It truly makes a difference in bringing out the natural flavors of the oats. This simple combination forms the perfect base for a warm, comforting breakfast. Now, let's get cooking. Pour your 1/2 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of liquid, and that small pinch of salt into a small saucepan. Place the pan on your stovetop and turn the heat to medium-high. Watch for the mixture to reach a gentle boil. Remember to give it a stir every now and then to keep the oats from sticking to the bottom and to ensure they cook evenly. Once your oatmeal starts to boil, immediately reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer gently for about 5 to 7 minutes. During this time, continue to stir occasionally. You'll notice the oats absorbing the liquid and becoming wonderfully thick and creamy. The exact cooking time depends on your preferred consistency, so keep an eye on it until it's just right for you. Your basic stovetop oatmeal is now ready, and this is where the fun begins. Feel free to customize it with your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, sliced bananas, a handful of crunchy nuts, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. For a touch of sweetness, a drizzle of honey or maple syrup works perfectly. Serve your warm, comforting bowl of oatmeal right away and savor this easy, nutritious breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.